Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of 9th class. Here is Sadia Naseem, your botany teacher from Behriya Foundation College, Nusheropur. Students, we were studying the topic cell. We were discussing the structure of the cell. I have discussed in my previous structure the definition of cell, cell theory, difference between animal plant cells. Then we were learning about the cellular organelles. Here we studied cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, we were discussing the cytoplasmic organelles. Many organelles I have already discussed. Today is my last lecture regarding to this topic. So today we are going to discuss the organelles like ribosomes, nucleolus and vacuole. First of all, ribosomes. They are granules which are rich in ribonucleic acid. They are granular. Granules mean दानेदार जो होती है, ठीक है, जो चीज़ दानेदार हो, छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं. ग्रेन्युलर ऑर्गेन्स विच आर रिच इन RNA, राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड. RNA is abbreviation for the ribonucleic acid. They are found either freely suspended in cytoplasm or may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. In my previous lecture of endoplasmic reticulum, I have told you two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum was that type of endoplasmic reticulum in which ribosomes were attached at the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes may be found freely in the cytoplasm or this may be attached with the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now what is the function of the ribosomes? They are membrane bounded organs which are associated with the protein formation. Okay, they are the only organelle found in prokaryotic cell and not bound by membrane, are not bound by the membranes. So ribosomes are the only organelles which are found in prokaryotic cells. In all other cytoplasmic organelles are absent in the prokaryotic cell, only present in eukaryotic cells. They are only organelle found in prokaryotic cell and not bounded by membrane and are not bounded by a membrane. They serve as a site of protein synthesis and hence called the protein factory of the cell wall. So in this topic what we discussed, they are present only in both in prokaryotic eukaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelles. Okay, what is their function? Their function is the protein synthesis. Therefore we also call ribosomes as the protein factory of the cell. Other is the nucleolus. It is found inside the nucleus. It has got no membrane. There may be one or more nucleolus in the nucleus. This is the cell membrane. Nucleus, inside the nucleus a circular part called the nucleolus. This may be one or more than one in a nucleus. During the cell division this nucleolus disappears. Where it is located? Inside nucleus. During cell division it disappears. And what is the function of the nucleolus? It is synthesized and stored in the nucleus. It includes where ribosomes are assembled and exported to the cytoplasm via the nuclear pores. So what is the function of the nucleolus? Ribosomal RNA is synthesized and stored in the nucleus. This ribosome contains RNA. Ribosomal RNA is synthesized, prepared and stored in the nucleolus. Vacuole. It is a fluid-filled part of the cytoplasm. A single large vacuole is present in the plant cell, like this is a plant cell, while in case of animal cell many small nuclei may be present. Central nucleus, this many small vacuoles may be present. In case of plant cell, vacuoles store fluid and give support and rigidity to the plant, produce a pressure called the Turgor pressure. While in case of plant cells, vacuoles are smaller in size, they are concerned with the accretion. vacuoles क्या होता है, बड़ा साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनल होता है. प्लांट सेल के अंदर इसका क्या काम होता है, फ्लूइड अपने अंदर स्टोर करता है और सेल को स्ट्रेच करके रखता है, सेल को सपोर्ट देता है. ठीक है. और एनिमल सेल्स के अंदर स्मॉल छोटे छोटे वैक्यूल्स होते हैं और इनका फंक्शन क्या होता है एनिमल सेल्स में, एक्रीशन. इट वॉज आवर टॉपिक टुडे. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल. So what's your homework? You have to read the whole topic cell. Okay. In case of any query, you may ask question in my WhatsApp group. I am waiting for your questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.